Hello, this is Joya from Granny Knitting. Today I am going to show you a method of casting on stitches which gives you a pretty tight non-stretchy edge which you may require sometimes for knitting on tight sweaters and stuff like that. In this method we use two needles together, hold them together with the tips level, and then take the end of the yarn and put it around the needles and tie a knot so that there is a stitch on the needles and a tail. And the length of the tail will determine how many stitches you are going to make. Hold the needle with your left hand with your first finger behind the needle and then wrap the tail around your first finger and the needle. Now take the other end of the yarn and insert it between the first finger and the needles, just as I show. And now I am going to repeat the process once more. Wrap the tail around your first finger and needles, insert the other end of the yarn between the first finger and the needle, and then pull the yarn over the first finger and put it on the needle. I will repeat the process once again. Your first finger behind the needles, the tail goes over the first finger and the needle and comes up on the other side. Then the other side of the yarn goes between the first finger and the needle, and then that first finger is pulled out and the loop taken from there and slipped over the needle. So you have another stitch on. This process can be repeated as many times as you like to get any number of stitches you need. I am repeating this process a number of times so you can look at it, and then once you have all the required number of stitches, you will have to take out one of the needles and then start knitting with it. The knitting part will be explained in another video later.